guys, what's up? It's your girls, Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another unit from one of my favorite HD lace companies on the internet, Xrsbeauty. So definitely check down below for all of their information, and also please stay tuned because they have a huge Black Friday sale that's happening right now, okay? But it's expiring soon, so if you want more details on this sale, please stay tuned. But anyways, guys, this is the unit that I did pick up from Xrsbeauty. As you guys can see, this is their wand curl HD lace wig. So with this particular unit, you're going to get the 13 by 6 inches of parting space. Those knots are bleached. The hairline is already tweezed for you. You don't have to do any of that stuff. And for those of you guys who do not choose to adhere your wig down, this is a glueless, so you can use the combs and the adjustable straps and elastic band on the inside to keep that wig in place without any adhesive. But anyways, guys, this is how my hair looks directly out of the pack. As you guys can see, with those wand curls, they do come pretty tight, so you definitely want to put your wig on a mannequin head overnight so those curls can drop. But ultimately, this is how your unit should look when you do get it. But let's go into that HD lace. Some of you guys want to know, what is an HD lace? What does it do? HD lace is the most clearest and undetectable lace you can get on the market. As you guys can see with that one right there, is completely clear, and that is exactly why I prefer HD lace, because it's pretty undetectable. I mean, in some lighting you can see it, but for the most part it's better than any other lace on the market. All right, but anyways, right here I am taking my Carrot Hair wax stick as well as my hot comb, and I am further styling this unit. It kind of came with an off-centered middle part. I'm going for a deep side part, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as well as smoothing out the hairline as well as the top of the wig to give some nice volume. All right, later on in the video you will see that I will kind of adhere the wig down using my melting spray, but you guys do know that my skin is extremely sensitive. I do use like a retinoid or a tretinoid on my skin, so when I put these adhesives on my skin, it hurts and even peels. So I like to use baby hairs to hide the lace because I don't use a whole lot of adhesives on my skin. All right, so sometimes those edges can lift up a little bit. Y'all know, because some of you guys call me out on it every time, but y'all, with these HD wigs, sometimes it's greatest when you adhere it down. So yeah, I choose to do baby hairs for that reason. But right here I'm just going to take my curling wand, a little bit of my serum, and some hairspray to fix those curls that became frizzy as I was restyling the front of the hair. And I'm also going to lay those baby hairs. While I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you guys about their huge Black Friday sale they have going on right now. You guys have to hurry. This sale ends on the 26th at 11:59 p.m. okay, so with this sale you're going to be able to save 20% off of all of their units. So if you've been eyeing one of their wigs, but they're kind of pricey at times, you'll be able to save roughly around $70 on their units. All right, so definitely make sure you are keeping an eye out on their website, because on the 26th of November, 11:59 p.m., this sale is over. Alrighty, guys, they also have a way for you to win some free gifts, so definitely check it out. Pretty much a party is going to be going on over there on their website. You guys also stock their Instagram page, because yeah, they have some nice inspo on there. Check them out. All right, guys, but anyways, this is how the hair looks the next day. Please excuse all of the clips. I need to clip the hair out of the way so you guys can get a look at that HD lace. Okay, guys, it is clear. I'm gonna go ahead and get this wig on so you guys can see just how it looks on me. Yeah, guys, look at that hairline, look at the lace. It's a winner for me. All right. But anyways, I went ahead and cut the lace off camera because your girl couldn't see with all those curls and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna use my Melt Me Down spray. I do pick this up on Amazon. I prefer this spray over the Got To Be because it's not as like messy or like, I don't know, like flaky. It's not like that. Okay, guys, this is a special kind of spray. I prefer this over the yellow spray. But anyways, I went ahead and placed that on the hairline. I also used a little bit of my gel to lay those baby hairs. As you guys can remember, I did say that baby hairs are optional. Y'all know me, I don't use a whole lot of spray because my skin doesn't like it, okay? But now I'm using a wrap strip in my blow dryer to further melt that lace down. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get those clips out of the hair and just do some manipulating and some fluffing and some, you know, brushing out these curls to make it look voluminous and natural. As y'all know, if you guys are, you know, a returning subscriber, y'all know that I typically go for the curls, you know, and the kinks. You know, I love texture. I typically don't go for a look like this because, you know, I don't know, it's just not my thing. But I wanted to do something a little more festive because it's the holidays. I even have on my red shirt because, you know, I was just in, you know, it's a vibe. I was in the mood, you know, for holiday vibes, okay guys? So I went for the holiday hair, the red shirt, and I'm pretty sure you guys can do the same thing once Christmas hits. You know, it's a look, okay? But y'all, take a look at this hairline and the lace. Again, y'all, you can probably see a bit of the edges sticking up a bit because I don't use a whole lot of spray, but it's still a winner for me. Here are the angles of the hair. This hair is in a natural brown color, almost black. I believe the inches on my wig is 20. If I'm wrong, I will put the correct inch in the description area. This hair is also very versatile, so you guys can do a few looks with this. I mean, you can do like a half going back, a half going forward. You can do a ponytail. You could even do like a half up, half down. You know, you can flat iron the hair completely. You do body waves. Y'all, this hair is a winner. I went ahead and I did take my paddle brush and I slowly kind of brushed the hair down to kind of give it a little bit of like a 40s 50s look. And yeah, you know, I'm kind of content with this wig. I'm loving the style, right? Let me know what you guys think of it. Also, be sure to check out their Black Friday sale, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.